So the Ellman IEC or the FFPF, all those units basically were combined into the Radiolace. This is the newest model. This is brand new. We've got about 15 brand new ones left for those fortunate enough to find out we have them in stock. Comes the full 1-year warranty. Comes the brand new grounding pad, reusable handpiece, all the tips, foot pedals. And the nice thing about this is full power and it blends. So you have the blend and there's nothing like it. So for ophthalmology, dermatology, plastic surgery around the eyes, you won't have any scarring. So it doesn't matter what kind of Ellman you're looking for. These are the last ones left. Call Tom at the Doctor's Toy Store right there, or Rob or Mike's holding the camera, and get your deal on the last Ellmans left. 877 DRS Toys. We also repair your Ellmans, your liposuction, and all your medical equipment. Call today. Please subscribe to our channel. Real news for real doctors.